Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI. And if you're not finding relief for your sore, tired muscles with just hot showers alone, you're going to want to check out this TENS EMS unit from AUVON. Yes, it's small and pocket-sized, but it packs a punch. I actually love that it's so small because I'm able to put it on and it fits in my pocket or anywhere else, and it's easy to conceal as I'm using it. It's actually really easy to apply. So it comes with these pads that are adhesive and you just apply them to clean skin. This gave me relief the other day from a headache that no matter how much I stretched or how hot the shower got, I just couldn't get relief from it. As you can see, they leave no residue behind. I love that it comes with all the things that you need in this little case. Different types of bigger leads or bigger pads and some smaller ones also. The unit itself, and it has 2 different leads, so you can work on different areas at the same time. So if you need portable relief for your sore muscles, you are going to love this unit from AUVON, and that's my point of view.